Do these even have a name? Like, is there crazy pasta? Is that what they just call it?
Well, all right, guys, we got ourselves a bud vase, and it turned out really good. I'm excited about this project. It was really fun to turn this thing, and it's a good way to get into this form, like the kind of vase shape form, without having to do hollowing. You know, all you got to do is just drill out the center with, you know, whatever size bit you want. So pretty cool. I'm excited about the pasta. Thanks to Steven for sending that in. It just adds a level of, I don't know, interest to the piece. And for the resin, what I tried to do this time was just use 2 different shades of purple. And it really turned out kind of interesting with the kind of different, it's very subtle, but different kind of shades. So really happy with this project. One other note that I wanted to mention about this, I tried using something different for the finish. I usually just, for things like this, you know, you want to seal the pasta. So you want to put some sort of a top coat on it. Typically, I just use a spray lacquer, and that's by far the easiest and quickest way to put a finish on pieces like this. What I decided to try this time was Watco, which is a kind of a Danish oil. It's an oil varnish blend. The oil in that finish it doesn't soak into anything. That's a good one for wood, but it doesn't soak into resin, so it kind of is a little sticky still. But I think polyurethane would probably work well, but the only issue with that is you can put it on, but you gotta like wait overnight for it to finish, so, or to cure. So I don't know. I still think that lacquer spray, finishes are probably gonna be your better bet for this type of project. But if all you have is polyurethane, it should work out fine. You know, just wipe it on, walk away, and try and keep the dust down. You know, do it at the end of the day is what I would recommend. But anyway, I hope you guys give this a shot. You know, the blank was easy to make. I just used a 3-inch PVC pipe, poured in the resin in the pasta, and turned it up. So if you guys do try this out, I'd love to see some pictures. You know, hit me up on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Make sure to tag me if you do one of these. And I'd love to see it. So if you're new to the channel, we do all kinds of resin casting projects, tips and tricks, and experiments around here. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you're thinking about getting into resin casting, want to make some projects like this, but you're not really sure where to begin, check out my new ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Resin Casting. It answers all those kind of beginner questions. You know, how does everything kind of work? What do I need to get started? Which resin should I use? So if that's something that might help you out, it's available on my website right now. There'll be a link on the screen. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.